guys, so today we're going to be doing making slime. So let's get started. So let me go get the shampoo and the bow. So I'm back. I got the bow and I got shampoo. As you can see that? It's shocking. So I don't care if it's like girl, because I don't really care. So let's get started. So I put that much, as you can see, that much. So I'm just gonna get a little stirring thing and stir it around. So actually I'm mixing it. Okay, so I stir it up, and then now I basically get the salt. So I got the salt. So let me get it. Salt. Yeah. So I put salt in it, and now we're gonna get the stirring thing. Stir it up. And then now, let me go get the borax. So I got the borax. So it's too big for y'all to see, so I can't really see it. Not see it, but I just gotta put it in. So I'll tell you when it's done. Okay, it's done, and now we're about to put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. So I did done. So I'm back, and now look at it. See, it's pink slime. Oh my god, it's pink slime. I made pink slime. So whoever liked this video, just subscribe down below and hit that thumbs up button and turn on the notifications. Bye guys.